Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an ahoge. An ahoge, often called a foolish hair, is a single, distinctive strand of hair that stands upright from the top of a character's head. It's a popular visual cue in anime and manga, adding a unique touch to a character's personality. This guide will walk you through simple steps to achieve this iconic look, whether for cosplay or artistic expression. We'll cover techniques for both real hair and wigs. To begin, gather your essential tools. For natural hair, a strong-hold hair gel or styling wax is crucial. If you're working with a wig, opt for a firm-hold hairspray or even a small amount of fabric glue for extra durability. You'll also need a fine-tooth comb or a small brush to precisely select your ahoge strand, and a few small hair clips or bobby pins to hold it in place as it sets. For real hair, start by isolating a small section, roughly 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, from the very top of your head. Apply a pea-sized amount of strong-hold gel or wax evenly to this strand. Now, gently twist and pull the hair upwards, shaping it into a distinct, upright spike. Hold it firmly in position for about 30 seconds, allowing the product to begin setting the shape. Creating an ahoge on a wig is similar. Select a small section of wig fibers, approximately 1/8 inch thick, from the crown. Liberally spray these fibers with a strong-hold hairspray. Carefully mold and shape the fibers upwards, forming your desired ahoge spike. For quicker setting, you can use a hairdryer on a cool setting, holding the ahoge in place until it is completely dry and firm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.